In this video, we will demonstrate how to configure import and export settings in a lookup within CFlow. Go to the Lookup option in the menu on the left. Select the lookup for which you want to configure the setting. Click the configuration icon. Then select Import/Export option. To enable Excel import, select the checkbox and choose the fields you want to import from Excel. Go to the Excel Export tab, enable the Excel Export option, and select the fields you want to export. Go to the Update via Import tab, enable the Update via Import option, and select the fields you want to update. Then save the setting. Click the Back button. You will see the Excel import and export icons on the screen. We have explored how to configure Excel import and export option in a lookup. Now, take the next step and automate your business processes today.